Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you play Roblox Rivals, you are going to love this tutorial because today I'm going to be showing you how to get all weapons in Rivals for free. This uses a working Rivals Roblox code that you can enter in-game working right now in 2026, and it is going to get you every single weapon for free. You can also get skins as well, so you can get skin cases and you can even get keys. But this video is focusing primarily on how to get all weapons for free in Rivals. So before I show you guys how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because like I said guys, I'm always creating updated tutorials as and when they're needed. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the video and show you how to get all weapons in Rivals for free. So as you can see guys, you've got to use your mobile phone to obtain your Rivals code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it on whatever platform you choose to play on. So open up your internet browser on your mobile and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. so it's very important you spell it correctly guys. And Cold Coupons, if you haven't seen this website before, I highly recommend you bookmark them, because they actually have tons of different codes. They even have some of the latest games as well. They don't only have Roblox games, they have pretty much anything you can imagine. And I discovered a page on this website, so I'm just going to search for it, Rivals Roblox codes, and this is the page. So you just search for it guys and you should come across this website. Now basically there are a few verified working codes, and there is a code specifically to get all weapons for free in Roblox Rivals. And guys, if you know how difficult some of these weapons are to obtain and some of the skins, this is definitely going to save you a bunch of time and even a bunch of money if you're planning to open skin cases and stuff. So yeah, and guys, these codes, because getting all weapons is pretty desirable, and these codes are limited. There is a bunch of them, but they are limited in number. You do need to unlock your full Roblox Rivals code, which is completely normal. I did this earlier and it's actually pretty easy. So you just got to click on this button and just follow through the instructions here. This basically tells you exactly how to unlock your Rivals code. So it says complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to unlock your Rivals code from Cold Coupons, and then make sure you do follow the instructions below each app. So basically guys, to simplify that, there is a list of tasks on this page. They're all completely free. And these tasks are things like downloading mobile applications. So this one at the bottom says download, install this app and create a free account. So if you was to choose that one as an example, you would click on it and it'll take you to the App Store, where you just download that app, and you have to make sure you fully satisfy the completion by following the instructions. So anyway guys, I'm going to skip forward, but just complete 2 tasks on this page, and once you do that, it will unlock your Rivals code and you redeem it in game. And that got me all weapons. So easiest method guys, highly recommend you go to Cold Coupons and then just search for the Rivals codes page here and select the all weapons code. Let me know if you need any help guys, but yeah, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.